Here I have LG K8 2017, and today I'm going to show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the display section, then go to the theme. No, not theme. Go to the home screen, wallpaper. Here you can select wallpaper from wallpaper gallery. You have different pre-installed wallpapers like this. Pretty nice for me. You can select live wallpaper if you have one. At first you'll have to download it from the internet, or you can just select any other image from gallery which you can download from the internet too, or just take a picture with your camera. And here you can adjust an image how you want it to look, and tap OK. Set on lock. You can select if you want to set it only on home screen or also on lock screen, and then tap set. And as you can see, wallpaper changed. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.